A central angle is an angle AOC where endpoints A and C lie on the circumference, and the vertex of our angle is located in the center of the circle. So a central angle is formed by connecting those. We'll notice that this particular central angle measures 50 degrees. If we travel along this angle and take a look at the arc formed, we'll notice that the arc formed here is also a 50-degree arc. So this is what we call our central angle. An inscribed angle is going to be angle ABC, where points A, B, and C all lie on the circumference of the circle. We'll notice a nice relationship between the central angle and the inscribed angle. Now, we know this arc is 50 degrees. We know this central angle also measures 50 degrees. So let's take a look what the inscribed angle measures. We'll notice that we're looking at 25 degrees. So the relationship is that the central angle is going to be twice the size as the inscribed angle, and the arc's measure is also twice the size of the inscribed angle. Let's take a look now at what we know as arc length. We have a circle here with a central angle of 60 degrees and a radius of 4.5 inches. You'll notice this pink area here will be our arc. Now let's talk about arc length. You'll notice we have a maroon ribbon all the way around the circle. That's going to be our circumference. And we have this orange ribbon that we could lay that will represent the length of our arc. So let's see what happens. Arc length is going to be the product of the ratio of the measures of the arc divided by 360 and the circumference of our circle. Measure of our arc is 60. The circumference is found by using our circumference formula, radius being 4.5 inches, so we get a circumference of 28.27 inches. The length of the arc AB is actually found by multiplying the measurement of our arc over 360 times the circumference. Our arc was 60 degrees over 360, giving us a fractional part of 1/6 of that circumference, which is 28.27, giving us a length of 4.712 inches. So let's see how that compared. We knew our maroon ribbon represented the circumference. So when I measure that, it should be approximately 28.27. So take a look, 28.27. If we take a look at our ribbon, we know that our ribbon is a little shy of 5 inches, so 4.712 inches. Now, we notice here that this is 1/6 the size. So if we took 6 ribbons, exactly the same amount of size, we'll notice that 6 of these ribbons will create the entire circumference, showing that our length of that arc is just 1 out of those 6 ribbons.